stay, yummy breakfast, and helpful staff. Beautiful hotel with great location. What a great hotel. Feels very newish, great breakfast, beautiful suite. We got an upgrade to 2 beds with a living room suite for no charge. We were there on Thanksgiving and it was great. Highly recommend. Pleasant stay, staff is extremely good and courteous. Exceptional. The only off thing about this hotel is that in the room we were in, the beds face the bathroom sink and not the TV, which is situated between the end of the beds and the lounge area. Just odd. Great hotel, but for $280 no breakfast? It's clean and beautiful. There was a coffee/drinks bar. Beds were very comfortable, I slept very well. I don't normally, as hotel beds are too soft and I toss and turn. The TV channels kept going out or silent. Had to pay another $9 for breakfast. You would think after $280 for a room for one night, breakfast should be included. Even the cheaper hotels provide that amenity. Okay, but not great. This facility was conveniently located and staff is friendly. I requested a room with 2 double beds, but, upon arrival, I was told that room was not available and they only have a king room. I am a mom traveling with my adult son. No acceptable. I was told the couch folds out to a bed. Not the comfort I reserved. I was also advised that my room selection was a preference and not a guarantee as I booked through a third party. Very disappointing.